Sue and I have amazing news for you! This week, we are doing a giveaway. The exact copy of me, Slick Slime Sam. Are you new here? Or watching us from the beginning? It doesn't matter.
You need to do 3 simple things to enter. First, give this video a thumbs up. Second, leave a comment below. Third, subscribe to the channel and wait to see who's the lucky winner.
Okay, that's enough. Let's get to the video. I'm getting hungry. Sherlock Sam's almost solved the case of missing candies. Only the last hidden candies left to find. Hidden by the evil mastermind, Suriarty. Most likely the candies where I won't look. Among the vegetables! Ta-da! Here they are, my precious Suriarty's defeated!
Suriarty? That's new.
But the candy's been found!
How did you do it? You should seriously think about becoming a detective.
If it involves searching for candy, I'm ready to do it for free and fast! Because no matter where the candy is hidden, I'll find it! Got it, Suriarty?
Ooh, that's a real challenge, Sam. Hi guys, Sue and Sam here. Though today, I'm Suriarty. By the way, I really like books about Sherlock Holmes, but there are also films and TV series. What do you like more?
I like the TV series with Benedict
Cumberbatch.
Right.
Guys, if this video gets a lot of thumbs up, I'll make Sam say Benedict Cumberbatch 10 times in a row.
And how will you make me?
I'll give you candy.
Yes, I'll do it.
Give us a thumbs up and ask your friends to do it too.
And I'll go work on my articulation.
Right. Now it's time to beat Sherlock Sam and hide all the sweet treats so he'll never find them. I knew Sam would find candies in the vegetables in the fridge. He often looks inside. But I have a more interesting trick at hand. I'll show you how to disguise cookies as a pencil case. Take a new pack of cookies and make a cut in the middle. Apply some glue along the cut with the glue gun. Ooh, but be careful, it's hot. Then, take a zipper that's the right size and glue it to the package like this. Almost ready. Now let's take this pretty piece of fabric and apply some fabric glue along the zipper. And wrap the pencil case in the fabric. Then I'll secure the ends with simple rubber bands. Let's check the zipper. It opens smoothly. Done. Now the cookies are well hidden, but I need to hide so many other things.
Sherlock Sam is following the candy trace. What's on the table? Everything looks normal. Has Sue got a new pencil case? Oh, it's full. Let's see. So full. Am I seeing things? Cookies! I'll eat a few so Sue wouldn't notice. Oh, well, let her notice.
I only stepped away for a moment. I shouldn't have left it out in the open. All right. Superiority doesn't give up so easily. I'll try again. Nutella. Sam loves it. He'll be so upset when he doesn't find it. The package is in a semicircle shape, so it can be hidden in something round, like a round pencil holder. Let's place it in like this, turn it around, and that's it. Nutella is hidden, but I'll put it away this time. Now, without wasting any more of this precious time, I'll hide the Kinder chocolates. Take an ordinary pencil box. We won't need the pencils, but chocolates will go inside instead. They're hidden, but still visible. So I'll take this picture and cover our precious chocolates with it. Done!
Superiority!
Aha! Sherlock Sam, are you ready to give up?
No! I need markers to write down a few clues.
Oh, wait. I'll give you some.
Nada. No need. I've already found them.
Wait!
This one's no good. Too bright. This one's too dark. Oh, and this looks like cookies. Oh, wow! Looks like I've unintentionally discovered someone's stash. It was easy. And delicious.
I've hidden the pencils under the pillow. He won't go looking in there. I need to stay alert. Sam can enter at any moment. I'll take an empty glue bottle. Make sure that it's empty and washed really well. I'll put whipped cream inside. And cover it with the cap.
I'm so tired. Time for a nap. Not very comfortable. There's something under the pillow. Pencils? They look suspicious. I need to check. Chocolates! Now I'm going to keep my eyes wide open.
A small bonus. Chips with Angry Birds. Not sweets, but I should also hide them. I'll wrap the can with this pretty paper. Fix it with the tape. Now, I need to take this image of a zipper and stick it to our improvised pencil case. Now, we only need to stick these round pieces to the base and the cap of the can. I think it looks so cool. Oh, it looks so tasty. I'll have one. Delicious.
I can hear crunching and a cheese smell. Are you eating chips?
No, of course not. You're just hearing things. You're seeing food everywhere.
And what is this weird pencil case? I haven't seen it before.
It's a pencil case for really large pencils.
Show it to me! I've gotta see them.
I forbid you to open it. It's a gift for my friend.
This friend seems to have really large hands. Well, fine. By the way, I forgot to tell you, I wanted to take a nap and found this!
But how? You taking a nap?
It's not easy being a detective. I'm almost falling over. I'm so sorry, Sue. Don't worry, I'll fix it right away. Go, Louie Sam, to the rescue!
No, Sam, I'll do it.
It won't glue anything. And it smells delicious.
Sam, stop! It's glue!
Made of whipped cream? Tricky. Very tricky, Superiority.
Sherlock Sam may be on a roll today, but I have a few more tricks left. Marshmallows can be easily disguised as an ordinary eraser. I just need to find the right size. Aha! This is what I need. I'll take the eraser out and put marshmallows inside. All great things are simple. And it looks awesome! With all this, I've completely forgotten about lunch. I'll eat one small piece of chips.
I can hear that sound again. You're eating chips! Where are you hiding them? It smells like cheese. That means chips. And chips live in a large can, which looks like that giant pencil case.
Let's consider this dumb luck.
Ha ha! Luck, huh? It's skill.
Well, at least one of my tricks has to work. For the last hiding place, I'll need Sam's favorite chewing gum and a pencil with an eraser of the same color. I'll take the eraser out and throw it away. We won't need it. And I'll make a new eraser out of the gum. Even the great and powerful Sherlock Sam won't be able to tell the difference.
Superiority, are you ready to admit your defeat? Or have you hidden something else?
What do you think?
Look, here's a list of all the treats that I found.
There's a mistake here.
Oh, let me erase it. Give me that pencil.
No, it's got a bad eraser.
Then I'll take one of these. It won't erase, and it sticks to the paper. But of course, it's not an eraser. It's a yummy marshmallow!
Sam, this deserves a round of applause.
Wait, that's not all. Give me that pencil. My favorite gum!
Oh, nobody can rival you in a candy search.
Heavenly marshmallow. I want more! Oh, what's this?
Sam, I've only hidden it in one eraser.
Now I'll have to wash my mouth.
Guys, if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get a notification when the next video comes out.